Hello. It's been a minute since my last unboxing, so there we go. This time is an unboxing from Catfish, which the reason to make this unboxing is because, well, the package is larger than usual, so I think it's well deserved to make an unboxing for this because I only ordered one deck, so let's see what's inside. And because when I try to satisfy my needs of seeking out new Catfish content, unboxings or reviews or whatever, there's none. Well, there is none that I haven't seen. So I thought, well, there probably will be more people like me that will appreciate some Catfish unboxing. So yeah, there we go. So I said I only ordered one deck, so let's see what's inside. Oh, an Earl shirt. An Earl shirt, man. Thank you very much, Vlad. Fucking great, man. I'm gonna try it right now, right after the video. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. And two big BBQ stickers. Oh, two big fish, Catfish sticker. This shit is really nice. I haven't seen it yet on any other unboxing or anything. Really nice. It's the first one I have this way. Well, of course, because it's the Earl one. And the main dish. Let's check it out. You will check it out first. Nice. Well, a piece of FBS grip tape as always, and the 33 freshwater deep neon green Earl. The color is fantastic. I wasn't expecting it to be this bright, but yeah, it even reflects on my finger now. That crazy. And the top light is, well, it's completely deep in black, but it still has the logo there. I don't know if it's visible for the camera, but it is visible for me. So yeah, a little detail. So yeah, that will be it. See you in the next one.